3 tips for opening a successful automatic motorcycle workshop. Today, Go&Go will share with you our valued customers. 3 very important tips for opening a successful automatic motorcycle workshop. These are experience Go&Go has compiled from real-world model implemented in many places, not just theory. Many people ask Go&Go, is opening an automatic motorcycle workshop difficult? Is it possible? And why do some shops do very well, while others are not? Actually, the key lies in 3 factors. If you do it right from the start, the chance of success will be much higher. The first tip, and almost the most important factor, is the location. For an automatic motorcycle workshop to operate successfully, the location must have easy access, easy turning, easy parking, and customers won't hesitate to visit. Go&Go has encountered many cases where business invest in good equipment and technologies, but the location is deep in a narrow alley with heavy traffic, causing customers to leave immediately. Buy workshop is a convenient service. Customers usually stop by when it's easily accessible, rather than driving a long distance just to get their buy workshop. Therefore, when choosing the location, you should prioritize place near residential areas, markets, dormitories, schools, companies, or main road frequently used by motorbike. A large or expensive storefront is not necessary, but it must be easily accessible with easy parking and smooth traffic flow. This is the foundation for a stable daily customer base. The second piece of advice in marketing and attracting customers. Many people think that opening a car wash only requires good equipment and customers will come automatically, but that's not the case. Automatic motorbike washes have a huge advantage. They are modern, fast, clean, and don't require long waits. You should leverage this for marketing. You can start with simple promotions such as discount during the opening week, free buy washes for first-time customers, or buy wash and helmet cleaning combo. Additionally, you can create clear, easy-to-see signage, emphasizing automatic buy wash, fast, clean, the waiting required. If you have the resources, you can film video of the buy wash machine in operational and post them on social media and other media channels to get local customers know and come experience it. A major advantage of the automatic buy wash model is reduced reliance on labor, resulting in lower operating costs, allowing for flexibility in promotional programs while still ensuring profitability. Once customer experience is good and find it convenient, clean, and fast, they will return regularly. Finally, this is what Go&Go wants to emphasize most, is choosing a model and equipment that fits your budget. Not everyone who opens an automatic motorcycle wash needs to invest in a huge model right from the start. It's crucial to understand your capital, the size of the space, and the volume of motorcycle in the area to choose the right equipment and model. Some people start with a small model, optimizing cost and ensuring stable operation, then regularly upgrade as customer number increase. Go&Go currently offers many different automatic motorcycle wash machines, from basic to advanced, catering to various budgets and operational needs. When you come to Go&Go, you cannot only view the machine through the picture, but also experience them in action, receive detailed advice on each model and investment option to choose the most suitable solution for your needs, avoiding over-investment or investment that does not meet your requirement. In summary, to successfully open an automatic motorcycle wash, you need to remember 3 core things. Choose the convenience and easily accessible location. Implement smart marketing and promotion to attract customers and sell the right model and equipment from the start. By doing the 3 things correctly, an automatic motorcycle wash will not only reduce labor costs, but also purchase a modern, professional image and provide a stable, long-term income stream. If you are interested in an automatic motorcycle wash model or would like to see the equipment firsthand, Go&Go is always ready to welcome you and provide detailed advice to help you choose the most suitable solution.